Roman 2. Citing 4 reasons, explain why testing of a representative sample of purchases invoice to prove completeness of PPE records is not sufficient. Reasons why testing a representative sample of the purchase invoices is not sufficient to prove completeness of PPE records. That is the question. The company just takes a sample of purchases invoice. And what is the objective? The objective of taking that representative sample is to test or to prove the completeness of the PPE records. Felisa says the sample may not be a representative of the characteristic of the entire population of documents and data. Felisa, that is true, but your answer has to be related to the case. That one is tough, eh? Your answers must be related to the case. Purchases invoice is not sufficient. Testing sample of purchases invoice is not sufficient to prove completeness of PPE records. Now, one reason, candidates, is that there could be some equipment that is acquired by other means than purchases. So just checking purchases invoice may not be sufficient to prove the completeness of the PPE records. There could be some other PPE that is acquired through other means than purchases. That is to mean or to say that PPE may be acquired through means other than purchases, such as lease agreements. We may have PPEs that are being received through donations. We could have PPE that is just developed within the company, what we call self-construction. So if you have some PPE that is obtained through maybe lease agreements, the purchases invoices may not be sufficient to check the completeness of the PPE records. You understand? Is that clear? PPE acquired through means other than purchases. PPE acquired through other means than purchases.